When you think of off-road legends, there's one name that always comes to mind: Jeep Wrangler. And for 2026, the Wrangler JL Refresh is here with smarter tech, new styling, and even more capability. But has it stayed true to its roots, or has it gone soft in the name of modern comfort? Let's find out. The biggest visual update comes up front. Jeep has refined the iconic 7-slot grille. It's now slimmer, more aerodynamic, and has a blacked-out mesh pattern that feels both modern and aggressive. LED headlights are standard across all trims, and if you go for the higher trims like Rubicon X, you get an integrated LED light strip for extra trail visibility. The side profile still screams Wrangler: exposed hinges, removable doors, and that upright stance. But Jeep has added new wheel designs, ranging from rugged 17-inch alloys to massive beadlock-ready options for the hardcore off-roaders. At the rear, you'll notice a new spare tire mounting system that improves rear visibility and tailgate opening. And of course, the tail lamps now get a sharper LED signature. Step inside, and the changes are much more noticeable. The 2026 Wrangler JL Refresh gets Jeep's latest 12.3-inch Uconnect 5 infotainment system, faster, clearer, and loaded with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The dashboard layout is cleaner, with more premium materials and higher trims, while still retaining washable surfaces for when you get muddy out on the trails. Physical buttons for climate and 4x4 controls remain, a big win for off-roaders who need quick access. And speaking of off-road, the trail cam front camera is now higher resolution, making rock crawling easier than ever. Under the hood, Jeep continues to offer multiple powertrain options. You've got the 2.0-liter Turbo 4 with improved fuel efficiency, the 3.6-liter Pentastar V6 for traditionalists, and the plug-in hybrid 4xe model that now delivers a longer electric-only range, perfect for quiet, zero-emission trail runs. For those who want pure muscle, the 6.4-liter V8 Rubicon 392 is still here, pumping out over 470 horsepower. And yes, it's still hilariously overpowered for an off-road SUV, but Jeep knows their audience. The Wrangler JL Refresh doesn't just look rugged, it's built to dominate trails. You still get solid axles, locking differentials, and a disconnecting sway bar for maximum articulation. Jeep has also improved underbody protection and tuned the suspension for better stability on high-speed dirt roads. Water fording? Still up to 34 inches. Ground clearance? Up to 12.9 inches on certain trims. The Wrangler hasn't lost its crown. The 2026 Jeep Wrangler JL Refresh proves that you can modernize an icon without losing its soul. You get improved tech, refined styling, and more efficient engines, yet it's still unapologetically a Wrangler. Whether you're commuting in the city or tackling Moab's toughest trails, this SUV is ready. So, what do you think? Is the 2026 Wrangler the perfect balance of old-school charm and modern convenience, or would you rather keep things purely analog? Let me know in the comments.